Dear students, today we are going to do chapter number 17 of our English grammar book, Essentials of English Grammar and Composition. And the name of the chapter is Phrases. You must have heard this word phrase so many times while doing the grammar chapters, but today we will learn about what is phrase and what are the kinds of phrases. Now, first of all, you must be aware of the definition of phrase. Means, what is phrase in actual? A group of words that makes sense but not complete sense is called a phrase. So, it's not a single word, it's a group of words that is having a meaning, but that group doesn't convey a complete meaning. So, it is called a phrase. But the same group of word, if it conveys a complete sense, is known as sentence. This is the difference between phrase and sentence. Both are the group of words, but if they convey the complete meaning, then it is sentence. But if they do not convey the complete sense, then it is called phrase. Now look at the sentences. Mrs. Mehra is a woman of great intelligence. Here, a woman of great intelligence is a group of words that is making a sense, but as it is not giving a complete sense, so it is a phrase. The traveler sat down under a tree. Here, under a tree is a phrase which is giving us a sense but not complete sense. In all the four sentences, the word written in bold letter are group of words which are not conveying the complete sense. So hence the words written in bold letter are phrases. So a phrase can act as an adjective or an adverb or a noun in the sentence. So this is the work of a phrase in a sentence. A phrase doesn't contain a finite verb, but it may contain a non-finite verb. Like non-finite verb means it may contain infinitive or participle or gerund. Fine. So these two things you have to remember. A phrase is a group of words that doesn't convey complete sense, and a phrase may have a verb, but that will be non-finite verb. And a phrase can act as an adjective or adverb or a noun in a sentence. Now, kinds of phrases. The first kind is adjective phrases. A phrase, keep remember the definition of phrase in your mind, a group of words that make sense but not complete sense. If that group of words acts as an adjective in the sentence, then it is called adjective phrase. Like, we purchased a steel almirah. Here, steel is working as an adjective, not adjective phrase, because in phrase we have group of words, and here steel is a single word. But if we write the same sentence in a different manner, like, we purchased an almirah made of steel. Now made of steel is a group of words which is conveying incomplete meaning or incomplete sense. So this group of word is known as adjective phrase, which is acting as an adjective in a sentence. Now look at the adjectives and adjective phrases, because their meaning are almost same, adjective and adjective phrase, but difference is that in adjective we have only single word, but in adjective phrase we are having group of words. Like, a fearless man. Here fearless is an adjective, but the same thing can be written as a man without fear. Now without fear is adjective phrase. Stone walls. Here stone is an adjective and walls made of stone. Made of stone is adjective phrase. So it is very much clear to you the difference between adjective and adjective phrase. Now position of adjective phrase means where we will find the adjective phrase or where we will put adjective phrase in a sentence. So the condition is that adjective phrases must be placed close to the noun they describe. Look at the sentence. My friend bought a table from a shopkeeper with four legs. Now, with four legs is an adjective phrase, but its position is wrong because here with four legs is related to shopkeeper, but actually we were using it for table, so it must be placed near to the noun of which it is describing. So the right way of putting adjective phrase is that we will write it near to the noun of which it is used, like my friend bought a table with four legs from a shopkeeper. Now with four leg is used for the table, so this adjective phrase with four leg is written near to the noun for which it is describing. So it is the rule regarding the position of adjective phrases. Now, second kind of phrases is adverb phrases. So for that you must remember the definition of adverb. Adverb means the words which tells about verb. So here, if a phrase that acts as an adverb in a sentence, then it is called adverb phrase. Phrase means group of words, not a single word. So you may be confused in that also. Suppose you are reading the first sentence, she acted foolishly. Here foolishly is used as adverb, not as adverb phrase, because in phrase we have group of words. So that sentence can be written by using adverb phrase. She acted in a foolish manner. Now in a foolish manner is a adverb phrase. Read one more. I was a student then. Now then is used as adverb of time. But the same sentence can be written as I was a student in those days. Now in place of then we have used in those days, which is a adverb phrase. I searched for my book everywhere. Now everywhere is an adverb. That sentence can be written by using an adverb phrase, that is I searched for my book at every place. Here at every place is an adverb phrase. So this is the difference which you have to remember regarding adverb and adverb phrase. Now, abroad is an adverb and in a foreign land is adverb phrase. This you have to remember, and when you will read them again and again, you will be easily frame adverb phrase from adverb. Like annually can be written as every year, carefully with care, cleverly in a clever manner. Here right hand side is mentioned as adverb phrase and left hand side are adverbs. Cleverly in a clever manner, courageously with courage or in a courageous manner. Early, it's an adverb. At an early hour, that is adverb phrase. Everywhere, at every place. Formerly, in former times. This is how you will have to remember that how we can change adverb into adverb phrases. Now the last kind of phrases is noun phrases. A phrase that acts as a noun in a sentence is called noun phrase. For that you will have to remember that what is noun. Then only you can find out the noun phrase, or you can put noun phrase in a sentence. Noun is what gives us the answer of what. Like in a sentence, if the word is giving us the answer of what, that is a noun. Like I love reading comics. Here I love what? I love what? Here reading comics is giving us the answer of what. So here it is used as noun phrase. So here the group of words which acts as a noun in a sentence are known as noun phrase. Read out the next sentence. We like to listen to good music. Now we like what? What we are getting the answer of what by a phrase, so it is noun phrase. painting landscapes is his hobby. So what is his hobby? Painting landscape. So here these are the group of words which are acting as a noun in the sentence. So it is called noun phrase. This you have to remember, the difference between noun and noun phrase. So this is how we have learned about three kinds of phrases: adjective phrase, adverb phrase and noun phrase. Now, a phrase that acts as a noun in a sentence is called noun phrase, which gives us the answer of what. Like in for sentence, to understand people is very difficult. What is very difficult? To understand people, and it is a group of words, so it is noun phrase. Since all these phrases are acting as nouns, so they may be called noun phrases. This thing you have to remember. This is how our chapter regarding phrases is complete.